Okay guys, thank you very much Mana for nominating me with the Ice Bucket Challenge. I decided that Ice Bucket would be too easy, so I decided to do Ice Waterfall Challenge. Okay guys, it is winter in Australia, it's not very warm, it's absolutely freezing. I already tried it and I'm going ahead and do it. Okay, don't forget to put some money into charity. All the best, and I'm nominated Jonathan Clifton. I'm sure my friends will do that as well. Okay, all the best guys. Cold? No, it's not. It's bloody freezing.